What's up, my lovely viewers and subscribers? Welcome to Life and Vibes TV. On today's menu we are making seasoned rice, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make the seasoned rice. I have swapped the carrots for pumpkins. You could use pumpkin, chop up some pumpkin and put in there to get the color, but I'm going to be using garlic, onion, peppers. You know the bell peppers, you can see the bell peppers chopped up, carrot, scallion, spring onion, some people know it as spring onion, and thyme, and also some pimento seeds. This is all chopped up nicely and fine, and I'm going to fry this for like 5 minutes until it gets soft, marinates, and then I will add some seasoning to it. So if we get started, we can see how that is going to look and smell and taste. Welcome to Life and Vibes TV. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, join our family and the movement, and press the all in the action. Okay guys, you need a little bit of oil because I'm using a lot of veg. So let's get that frying. So we have the onions and scallions, red bell peppers and some green bell peppers, garlic and some carrots. Lovely. Can you see that? Wonderful array of colors. Let that fry on a medium heat for like 3 to 5 minutes. Watch your time. I think we are now ready to add our season. Look at this, gorgeous. And here is the season. On the plate we have 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1.5 teaspoon of some salt, and 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. And we're just going to put all of that in here, stir it up and let it fry some more. And this is our seasoning. And there we go. Mix that all in. Let that fry some more. And then we'll wash the rice, ready to go in. Yes guys, so we're going to wash the rice and then put it in. Make sure you wash your rice good. You wash it until the water is clear and then it's ready to go in. Okay. Now this is ready. We're just going to add some boiled water and let it cook for a few minutes, and then we add the washed rice and let it cook together. Seasoned rice, Life and Vibes TV. Like, share and subscribe. So yes, people, I have now put the rice in and stirred it, and I'm going to cook it on medium to high heat and then turn it down after 15 minutes. So let's see how this turns out. You can usually put some meat of your choice, saltfish, chicken, but let's see how this one turns out. This is a vegan style. Like, share and subscribe to Life and Vibes TV. Yes, so guys, I'm gonna give that a quick turn. Sure it's not burning, and then you can check the rice to see if you need any more water. I'm going to add a touch of water just to make sure it gets a good cook. It's a lot of rice, and then we just cover that to steam for another 10-15 minutes and it shall be ready to eat.